Hello everyone, I'm Teddy Manuel of tmfloralschool.com, and today we are doing a bridal bouquet for a civil or intimate wedding. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start. So the flowers we are going to use are Ecuadorian roses. We have some peonies, tulips, and white lisianthus. So what's the difference when you're doing a bridal bouquet for a civil wedding or for an intimate wedding? Basically, it's the same. But most of the time, our bride and groom, their dress are very toned down. Not like for the church wedding where they have the ball gown or super embellished gown. That's why it's so important during this intimate celebration to come up with a nice and premium flowers for your bridal bouquet, because this is your best accessory to complement your simple gown. Now we created some nice textures from the peonies, from Ecuadorian roses, lisianthus, and tulips, and some sprigs of eucalyptus leaves. It's important also for this intimate celebration to think of the size of the bouquet. It shouldn't be overwhelming the simple gown of our bride. And please save one bloom for the groom. So I'm making a nice tie for the bridal bouquet where the intersections of all the stems act. And then basically for this one, I used three peonies, 6 stems of lisianthus, 4 stems tulips, and for the Ecuadorian roses, I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Ecuadorian roses. So that's it. Not too big, but has a nice texture on it. And now I'm doing some flexing of the petals of the tulips so that it will look, a different kind of bloom. See, guys? So maybe just 2, but I'll just retain. This one I'm going to retain it as it is. So there you have it, our tutorial for today for a civil or for an intimate celebration, a nice bridal bouquet, and a boutonniere for our groom. So whether you're celebrating big or small, just always remember it's about celebrations of love. So I hope to see you soon again, and please subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'll see you soon. Bye!